Hi, everybody. I'm going to show you how to set up a Google Doc so you can write your essays in ESL 192 using Google Docs. Google Docs is found in Google, and you need to make sure you are logged in to use Google Docs. So, anyway, the first step is to write a title for your document, which is summary and response 1. Okay. Then you're going to change the font to Times New Roman and move this size of the font to 12. The next thing you're going to do is change the align and indent to, it can be justify or left hand. And then you will change the line spacing to double. Okay, so you have set the font, the size of the font, and the alignment. The next thing is to change, to add page numbers. Add a header, which would be your last name. You would type your last name in front of the page number. So you notice it says header, start at 1, and then you just click apply. And then you click the cursor in front of the number and you type your name. Okay, so you've done that. Good. And now you're going to click your cursor into the body of the document. And then you will write your name. Okay. And then you will click enter. Make sure you click enter. And you will write the name of the class or the title of the class. Then you will write the title of the professor. I just made up a name, Professor Ramirez, and then the date of submission, which is, if it's today, October 2nd. Okay, then you will write the title. So for the title, you need to put the title in the center of the page, and you will need to go back to align and indent and click center align and write the title. So you can write the title of the article. I recommend it so the professor knows which article you are writing a summary on and a response to. So the title of this one for this week is Students do better when they control and manage their emotions. Okay, so you hit enter to get to the first line, but you need to change the alignment again to left alignment. So go back to the align and the align in indent button and choose left align. Okay, and for the first sentence of each paragraph, you need to indent 5 spaces for the beginning of each new paragraph so that the professor knows that you are introducing a new topic or a new subtopic for each paragraph. So either you click tab button once, or you click the space bar 5 times. 1. Okay, so you would write the first sentence, which would be begin with the article, begin with the word in, and then you would copy, Control C for copy, and Control V, paste the title, and you would put a comma before the last quotation and write the author's name. If you're not sure what the author's name are, don't worry. It is the American Psychological Association that wrote this, and I just need to fix the spelling. In Google, it's very easy. Spelling suggestion, you would right click that. Okay, discusses how or why plus subject plus verb. Okay, so that's how to set up your how you can set up a document using Google Doc in any English class. Okay, thank you for watching.